In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the DocuSign error that says failed to fetch. This is a common issue that can appear when you're trying to open a document, send an envelope, or log into your DocuSign account. The good news is that in most cases, this error is caused by simple connection or browser issues, and you can fix it in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any step. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy software fixes. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. The failed to fetch error usually means that DocuSign is unable to communicate with its servers. Open a new browser tab and go to a website like fast.com to quickly test your internet speed. If the page doesn't load or your speed is extremely slow, that's likely the cause of the issue. Try restarting your router, switching to a different Wi-Fi network, or using mobile data temporarily to see if the problem resolves. Once your connection is stable and working properly, go back to DocuSign and refresh the page. If your internet is working fine, the next step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes block or interfere with secure connections to DocuSign servers. Turn off your VPN temporarily and then reload the DocuSign page. If you're on a work or school network, there may be a firewall restriction in place. In that case, try accessing DocuSign from a different network, such as your home Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot, to see if that fixes the error. Next, try opening DocuSign in incognito or private browsing mode. This helps determine whether the issue is related to browser extensions or cached data. In Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and select New Incognito Window. In other browsers, look for Private Window or Private Browsing. Once the private window opens, log into DocuSign and check if the error still appears. If it works in incognito mode, the issue is likely caused by a browser extension or corrupted cache data in your regular session. If the error continues, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, cached files and cookies can become outdated or corrupted, which may prevent DocuSign from loading properly. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click on Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. After that, close your browser completely, reopen it, and log back into DocuSign. Another quick fix is to log out of your DocuSign account and log back in again. Sometimes session tokens expire or become invalid, which can trigger the failed to fetch message. Simply sign out of your account, close the browser tab, reopen DocuSign, and log in again with your credentials. This refreshes your session and often resolves temporary glitches. If none of these steps work, the issue may not be on your end at all. The final step is to check the official DocuSign status page to see if their servers are experiencing downtime or technical difficulties. You can search for DocuSign status page in your browser and review any reported outages. If there's an active issue, you'll need to wait until DocuSign resolves it on their side. In most cases, service is restored quickly. So to quickly recap, check your internet connection, disable your VPN or proxy, try incognito mode, clear your cache and cookies, log out and back in, and finally check DocuSign server status. One of these steps will usually fix the failed to fetch error. I hope this guide helped you get DocuSign working again. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective software troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.